No one plans to have to recover themselves or their friends. We certainly hope that we're going to drive through an obstacle without any issue, but it is really important to have in the back of your mind always a backup plan for how we're getting our car or our mate's car out of the hole we just drove into. Number one priority, of course, is making sure you've got quality gear. This isn't the type of thing you just wait and you hang on to an old frayed strap. It is really important to make sure that after every trip, your gear is in good condition. If it's not, it goes in the bin and you go and buy yourself some new, brand new quality gear to replace it. Second thing, of course, is to have a plan. We need all the people involved to be on the same page. We don't need people running around doing their own thing and then trying to make it work together. We need to come up with a plan before we start unrolling a single strap or before we start touching any shackles. And then, of course, before we pull any cables or straps tight, we get all of those extra people right out of the picture. If you're not directly involved, if you're not a driver or if you're not controlling a winch, you need to take yourself, your family, everyone around you out sideways. We like to work on a principle of 1.5 times the length of the straps at a minimum, but absolutely out at 90 degrees to the direction of pull. If you don't need to be there, get yourself somewhere safe. But don't forget, things are changing in the world of four-wheel drive recovery. We're all familiar with max tracks and how awesome they are at getting our cars out of the sand or the mud. But now, of course, we're seeing the introduction of rope shackles. Rope shackles are enabling us to swap out some of those heavy steel shackles with shackles made out of synthetic rope, much lighter and so much safer. So if you'd like to know more about recovery principles, visit our website and maybe join us on one of our advanced recovery weekends and see just how much you could learn.